And that is the okay.
भाई
Will come in the monsoon. Yes. When your branches, everything will be wet. Wood will be wet. Yeah. Substance is half wet. That's why all smoke comes. You think puja means you should bear all that heat and the smoke. It is not so. If it is dry, you will not get any smoke. Try it out. Only fire, you can bear fire, but not smoke. That is the same principle. Please apply here. Yes. Understood, no? But here to get place, storage fully closed. Understood? Then it is has got meaning. What we do now, let us not do for sake of doing. Practical message out here. Okay? That's my only thing.
Around 2-3 inches. So we can put around 4 to 6 inches also branches in this, and it will.
So thick you can.
Yeah. So
but it should be dry. Not during monsoon time.
Actually, there will be cleaners or water to treat everything, and that will be again sent to the main tank which we have for the
Four to 5 times alternately हम करते हैं.
See, first of all, I think it is a very important day after the inauguration of the WOW plant. This is something very important what is taking place here. First thing was we have inaugurated a ETP, that is the effluent treatment plant. Next, we have inaugurated or rather launched the shredder, wherein dry branches, whether it is your coconut shell or trees that are cut or other waste material, will be shredded into thin pieces. This machine was very much required. Third thing, of course, which you are seeing right here is the forklift, which we have been given under CSR by Goa Shipyard Limited I think I have to be very thankful to the Managing Director, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Brajesh Upadhyaya, for having given us this help as his social responsibility to society. I think if everybody comes forward like this, I think it is going to be a wonderful thing that can happen to society. I would like to thank Mr. Kamli, who has come as his representative, and I want him to convey my due thanks to the MD and all the other employees or his officers who work alongside him, who even had visited my office to make this happen. For me personally, आज खूप आनंदाचो दीस आहा, कित्याक जायत्यो आमी इनॉग्रेशनाक करता, जायते आमी वर्क्स लॉन्च करता, पूण हें करता तेन्ना म्हाका खूब आनी खूब आनंद जाता, कित्याक कचरो सगळ्यांच्या जिवितान आसा. कचरो सारको हँडल करपा जाय. वी ऑल जनरेट गार्बेज. सायंटिफिकली ते कशें मॅनेज करपाचें, दॅट इज द चॅलेंज. आनी आज आमचे चिकाली पंचायतीन आमी हें दाखोवन दिल्लो आसा मार्ग कशें हें करपा जाता तें अंडर स्वच्छ भारत मिशन. आमचे सरपंच बाब कमला प्रसाद यादव आहा तेजे खाला, तशेंच बाय ऐश्वर्या आसा डेप्युटी सरपंच, आनी बाकीचे सगळे पंच वांगडी तेंचे बरोबर आमचे बाब प्रसिद्ध नाईक जे म्हाजे वतीन सगळे हें मॅनेज करता अलॉंग विथ ऑल द ऑफिशियल्स. आय थिंक इट इज समथींग व्हेरी गुड दॅट हॅज हॅपन्ड विच गिव्स मी मोर प्लेजर दॅन एनी अदर वर्क. तेजे बरोबर बाब गौरव खोखले आहा. He is the person running this. I think only when you have a passion to do something for society, these things can be put in place. And it is my passion to bring about cleanliness. I want Dabolim to become the cleanest constituency in whole of Goa. So people want to copy us. They want to do what we have done. Like they are doing as far as Joggers Park is concerned. They are doing as far as our WOW plant is concerned. Don't forget, we have thought about all these things very carefully. नाल्यार हिंगा टँकर येवपाचे, तुगे सुएज उदीक येता तें परत मागीर तें निवड जाता आनी टँकर पत्त्यो जॉगर्स पार्कां उदक घेवन वचपाचें. आमी डायरेक्ट पायपलायन केला. म्हणजे एक प्रॉब्लेमूच दुसरेच भाशेन आमी सोल्युशन काडलेलें आसा. व्हेरी प्रॅक्टिकल सोल्युशन. दीज आर गोइंग टू बी द गेम चेंजर्स टू मेक दीस वाव प्लांट रन एफिशियंटली, in a very professional manner, and generating income, wealth out of waste. आमी म्हणटा कचरो म्हणल्यार पयशे घालपा जाय, निवडसाण करपा, कोट्यांनी पयशे मोडपा जाय. दॅट इज द ओल्ड थिंग ऑफ एस्टर इयर्स. वी हॅव शोन हाव वी कॅन ट्रान्सफॉर्म थिंग्स. आनी हें जें केलां, हांव परत सांगपा सोदतां तुज्या माध्यमांतसून की हें जाता म्हाजे सगळे कार्यकर्ता तांकां लागून. हांगा ही उपस्थिती पळयल्यार ते उर्बा दिता म्हाका हें काम करपाक. म्हाजे सगळे ऑफिस स्टाफ आसा म्हाका मदत करता. इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स आहा पंचायतींनी, तशेंच म्युन्सिपालिटीचे, हे सगळे म्हाका उर्बा दिता. तेंचो सपोर्ट आहा म्हूण हांव करपाक शकता. हांव केन्नाच एकटो श्रेय घेवपाक सोदना. बिकॉज दे सपोर्ट मी व्हेरी व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंगली, आय एम एबल टू डू ऑल दीस, एंड देर इज मच मोर टू डू. दिस इज अ अनफिनिश्ड टास्क. I want to thank the Komdad of Chikalim specially. All this was impossible if they had not given me land. Two wonderful things that have happened here. एक आहा म्हणल्यार आमचे जॉगर्स पार्क. Everyone today compliments that. It would have been a simple open space otherwise shown because they had developed their plots, but they allowed me at that point of time to convert it into a park. Otherwise कितले open spaces पडलेले आसा असलो park येयला. Because they supported, we worked together, it happened. Similarly, this WOW plant, where would you throw the dirt? Would Komdad members and others, all of us, prefer to live in dirty places where सगळे कडेन गार्बेज जे दुसरे कडेन दिश्टी पडटा? हें शक्य ना. सो हांव तांकां चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. जे 5 TPT प्लांट आमी घातलेले, तेजी कॅपॅसिटी फुडल्या म्हयन्यान January in the new year, on 25th January, I am telling and giving a deadline to the people working here, we will be inaugurating that plant as well. So capacity of this plant is going to be doubled. As a consequence, we will be getting more water to send to our park. So our trees, which are more than 5,500, also will survive, having sufficient water. म्हणजे आमकां कोणाचे डिपेंड जावपाची गरज आसपाना. हेज्याहून मुखेल ती स्लरी पळय येता फ्रॉम वेट गार्बेज, that was impossible to handle without this plant which we have today launched, ETP. Even PWD, you have to get it down to a certain level, put the load on FSTP plant, which also we got in this premises, and it used to become something impractical. So what we have done, I want to compliment all those who are responsible for it. I am only an instrument, whether it is Gaurav, whether it is Prasid, whether it is EPIL, whether it is Goa Shipyard. I think they all work together into doing something wonderful. That's why it can be a wow factor, and really I should wow them for doing this. I think it is my duty to do this. I have not done any favor. I am very clear. But these people came together to help me move forward to achieve this. And I want to tell them further, please help me only one way. I want to make it the most efficiently and professionally. I'm proud of the thing that as the Transport Minister, today we launched something, and my Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant launched the Smart Card, wherein people will be able to travel in entire Goa on the Kadamba buses with a card which you have to just swipe in the bus, which is the case in foreign countries, which is the case perhaps in some other states. We are also reaching that situation where there is more and more digitization for the common man. पैसे घेवन भोंवपाची गरज ना, परत कंडक्टरूय चड मागीर ते पिल्फरेज जातली, कितले पैसे बोल्सान तेजे सापडटा, चेकिंग करपा वचपा जाय. You just load your card, you can load it online also, you can get it online also, and then you go and swipe your card, you can travel. And we want to improve the condition of our buses as well. We have regard for environment, that's why we have electrical buses, and today I think we have taken a bigger leap than what some expected, that is making it digital. म्हणजे कार्ड घेवन आख्खे गोंयान प्रवास करपा मेळटले. थोड्या म्हयन्यांनी जाता तितले बेगीन आमी ते कार्डाचेर you can even go to Bombay and Bangalore without carrying cash. You can swipe your card, book your ticket and come to Goa. From Goa you can go to Bangalore, Pune, Hubli, wherever you want to go, where our buses go. And this is the way we have done it today.